So I wanted to take a moment and share with you one of the most important elements that you need to know with the coming of AI. Artificial intelligence is already changing everything. In some ways it's amazing, in some ways it's totally scary. But one of the things that it's gonna do for everyone is change the way we do content. If everybody can get their messaging from AI, then what that means is that what is unique to you will be your stories. So you've got to be a great storyteller. Now, there is ways to tell captivating stories, and there's ways that you can ramble. It is important that you learn how to tell a captivating story. And I'm excited to share with you that I'm going to be teaching my captivating story method at my Bigger Visibility event, which is coming up. Check around this video, click on the link to learn more.